at the range with Maggie just a second ago, shooting. Got some great content coming out. But a couple gentlemen from New York came in to just meet us and talk. I guess they didn't come all the way from New York to meet us, but they were here on work, so they wanted to stop by and meet us. And so as we kind of said hello, was brought up about this Lake City ammunition plant. Now the president is suggesting that they are demanding, really, that they stop producing 5.56 ammo for civilians. So we're going to go out to Lake City Ammo and find out what we can. Growing up, there's actually a range out at Lake City that's a public range, and that's where I went. It was the very first range I ever went to as a young man. So I'm very familiar with where this place is. And I filmed out there in the past. But what I can say about this is I put out a video saying that the federal government is running out of ammo. So I think this is going to be a publicity thing that says that this is to kind of punish the pro-gun community, really limit the ammo for AR-style rifles. And this is, but it's because of they're running out of ammo. That's why they're doing this. And I haven't really seen the details of what they're saying, but I'm telling you in advance, they're going to say it's to help with the gun problem in America, but it's because of they are running out of ammo. I put out a video, I'll put the link there, but I put out a video just a few days ago on that because of antimony. They don't have enough antimony, which is a product that goes into the lead to strengthen the bullet. And China and Russia are the biggest producers of that, and they now are to some degree controlling the U.S. federal government's flow of ammunition. So that's what this is about. It had nothing to do with trying to save anybody. This is all trying to undermine the mess that they have caused for themselves for not having antimony reserves primarily. So we'll see what they say. Hey, how's it going? Hey, I'm a reporter with a YouTube channel. Just wanted to see if I couldn't talk to somebody about the stopping the civilian production of.
So you gotta have your ID?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's good to go. Turn around.
How's your day going?
Awesome, sir. Thank you. Just one moment.
Yeah, take your time. Thank you.
Alright, so what I'm gonna have you do, I'm gonna have you point your hood of your car towards the gate on that other side of the shack, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll get everything else figured out from there.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Here will follow directly.
Awesome. Do I need my
hold on to this for now.
Check. Awesome. So I was wheeled around. Apparently, I caused a lot of problems coming in through that gate, and I was told it was a military installation, and that I was then told to go to a different location after they spent about 20 minutes. Essentially took my ID, disappeared, directed me to a wall where I hung out until they were done with me. And then they told me to come here, so I'm going to go give it another try. All right, so apparently that was a big kind of a, here's our director of media, his number, call them. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to give that a shot, give her a call, and I'll get back with you. So there's no luck getting a hold of their communications manager so far. I've left a few messages, and I will keep trying. But here's what I know for sure. 30% of the 5.56 ammo that comes into the civilian market comes from Lake City Ammunition Plant. That's 30%. The federal government is about to run out of ammo, and they're cutting our ammo by 30% as a result. I know they're going to use it to say again about gun policy, but this is about ammo. This is about running out of ammo. This is about not having proper reserves of the components made to make ammo. This is what this is about. And as a result, one third of the 5.56 ammo that we see in the civilian market is about to just come to an abrupt end. Now, I did see also that, from what I understand, this came from some sort of inside source off I believe it was the Washington Post, maybe, that it's M8555 ammo, which, you know, that's really the answer I'm trying to get. I had two questions. I had two questions for Lake City Ammo. One was, is this true? And two is, what kind of ammo specifically? What we know is that it's 5.56 ammo, but is it just green tip ammo, or is it all 5.56 ammo? So we'll keep asking. I'll blow up that lady's phone, keep calling her and calling her and calling her until she responds, because I think this is an important question to be answered. And I think, you know, you're going to say, well, we're not going to produce 1/3, you know, almost 1/3 of the civilian ammo in the most popular rifle in the world. That's pretty significant. I feel like we should know more about that. It was an interesting event. You know, I didn't really appreciate them, the way they handled it as I went through the gate, because they turned me around, they took my ID, well, they turned my vehicle around essentially to the point where I was just facing a wall, so there's nowhere I could go. Then they stood behind me, kind of, you know, like over my left shoulder, with their hand on their gun, and then I just had to sit there and wait until they decided it was okay for me to leave. Felt very much like I had just shown up in Cuba on the wrong boat or something. I don't know. I was very, I don't know, a little disheartened on the treatment at our U.S. Army ammo manufacturing plant here in our local Independence. But that's what I got. 30% of AR ammo, 5.56 civilian ammo, stop production. Is it just green tip or everything? I'll let you know as soon as I know. Hope this video helps. If you like it, click like and subscribe. If you feel called to support this channel on Patreon, that link is also below. The most important part of this channel, we take prayer requests, so don't ever hesitate to send that in. Thank you for watching this episode of God, Family, and Guns. As always, love God, love your family, and love guns.